Hello guys, welcome to Skill Up channel. In this brief tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to take screenshot from screen. So, without wasting time, let's do that. You can capture from your screen by hold on Windows, then press print screen button on keyboard. As you see, I've got it. Another way to capture your screen is by snipping tool. You can search it here, then open it. And you can also open it by shortcut keys. Press Windows plus Shift plus S on keyboard. You can choose which type of capture you want from here: rectangle mode, window mode, full screen mode, free form mode. You are able to edit your capture too. You can mark it or put different size from here. You can crop it from here. You are able to zoom, save, copy, and share from here. You can save it with different format from here: PNG, JPG, GIF. You can also set up print screen button to open up snipping tool just by one click. To do that, open taskbar setting from here. Then click on accessibility. Then click on keyboard. Turn on this one. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, so please subscribe Skill Up channel, give a thumbs up to this video, and share this video with you friends. Thank you. See you on the next video. Peace.